This is the autoclave area. This is where we make our larger plugs. 1532 and larger are all made here. A lot of them are made by hand still. The difference between these plugs and the plumbing plugs is they're multi-size plugs. So we ask them to do like from a 15-inch pipe to a 32-inch pipe, or other sizes, 2460, 4872. So all these plugs are multi-size. Because of that, inside the plug, it's not just rubber. We also have different kinds of cording that we use that allows the plug to go back to its original size after it's asked to expand to twice its size. Like the 32-inch pipe will go back to 15 to be used again. So what we've done now also, because of our growth, we've invested in robotics to help make some of these bigger plugs. The robots allow us to have a product that's more uniform, since it's made the exact same way every time. It's a stronger plug than our handmade ones, more flexible, lighter, easier for the end user to use. In our case, robotics wasn't added to decrease labor, it's added because we can't find enough labor to support our growth. So it's really increased our capacity, made our product safer for the end user. We're the only people in the world that have two robots making these larger plugs. All the plugs we make on this side of the plant, the bigger plugs, they're all cured differently than the plumbing plugs. Plumbing plugs are cured in the ovens. These plugs are cured in an autoclave that you see right in front of us here. Autoclave is a pressure cooker. 90 psi, nitrogen blanket of gas, inert gas, and 300 degrees. Plugs are cured in there. These are waiting to go in the autoclave. They have mandrels on the inside, and the heat tape on the outside allows the heat to stay inside on the rubber and cure it nicely. Now these ones are cured. You can see the heat tape's brown. It's already been cured in the autoclave. Now they gotta take the heat tape off and prepare the product for sale.